Dito kasamang James dahil hindi nga sila katangkaran, parehong kupunan. Hindi yung mga king blocks na tinatawag. Blockers are sometimes late at patiningan ng palo ngayon. Ang Huha. Even against two blockers. Sabi ni Huha, hindi ganong katangkaran, so no problem. This will be 5 set points right now para sa Vietnam kontra sa Mongolia. Huha. Even against two blockers. Sabi ni Huha, hindi ganong katangkaran, so no problem. This will be 5 set points right now para sa Vietnam kontra sa Mongolia.
And Vietnam still very fundamentally sound. Dinagdagan ng konting power yung kanilang laro. Both teams playing with all local lineups. The score is 24-19. Vietnam at set point. And earlier, kung nakita natin nakangiti itong mga Mongolian players, and maseryoso na yung kanilang itsura. They know they're capable of keeping it close, but will they have enough para makakuha ng isang set mula dito sa Vietnam?
One of the challenges para sa ating mga malalaro is some teams play on a daily basis. Vietnam, kung di tayo nagkakamali, hindi nga sila naglaro kahapon, pero itong Mongolia lumaban kahapon sa Iraq. Vietnam naglaro ng Friday, so they're better rested kumpara dito sa kupunan ng Mongolia who had a tough outing versus Iraq yesterday.
Off-speed attack, pinuhay pa rin. Another back row attack para sa Mongolia, and it seems like they have discovered the weapon that works for them.
But it has to be a weapon that is going to be consistent para sa kanila.
Brought in by PLDT Home Fiber, home's most powerful broadband. Kakataon ulit para sa Vietnam. And that one goes in para kay Tuig Quang Nguyen. And set number 1 belongs to Vietnam. 25-20 kontra din sa Mongolia. Playing with all local lineups, all hard, all out para sa parehong koponan. Back for second set in just a moment.
This program is brought to you by Evolution from PLDT Home Fiber, home's most powerful broadband, in partnership with
Abangan ang bagong trip ng One Direction.
Kapag ako ang umibig,
lalaluyin ko ang mama.
action, puro ko yun. Aakyating at pinagmatinda. So hard, bro. So hard.
Lalaluyin ko ang mama.
Action, puro ko yun. Aakyating at pinagmatinda. So hard, bro. So hard. Action. Ano eh?
Be the first to watch the commercial for their new show tomorrow, only on TV5.
Cut. Perfect.
Muli na namang nagbabalik ang Coca-Cola PBA Youngstars. Iikutin namin ang buong kapuluan para hanapin ang mga future PBA stars. Kaya maghanda na mga taga Metro Manila. Abangan ang aming pagbisita sa mga home courts nyo. Dito lang sa Coca-Cola PBA Youngstars.
For placing sa pagitan ng Mongolia at ng Vietnam at nakaangat na ang Vietnamese 1-0. Mula po din sa Mall of Asia Arena. Maraming salamat for joining us as we enjoy volleyball action. Nakita natin, Coach Ronnie, a lot of variation para doon sa offense ng Vietnam in that 25-20 set 1.
Simply put, Vietnam had more options on their offense. Huha continues to deliver. Van Ha also came alive. Meron din silang balang si Xuan Tao. And even if Mongolia was able to stay close after the 19th point, Vietnam just had more weapons kumpara dito sa Mongolia. Net defense, a problem here for Mongolia, and their unforced errors also hurt their chances to turn things around dun sa nakalipas na unang set.
At bago tayo magsimula sa set number 2, pumunta muna tayo sa courtside with Jack Sulit.
Guys, very young pala itong Altain Bars na Mongolia. It's only been 2 years since the club was formed. At first time din nila to compete overseas. And it's also, that's why they treat this competition as a very good chance for exposure and experience. And it's also good dahil meron daw silang mga naghihintay na tournaments when they get back to their home country. Balik sa inyo, guys.
Maraming salamat, John. Of course, in any team, youth can be a double-edged sword. Pwedeng...
Tayo na tournaments when they get back to their home country. Balik sa inyo, guys.
Maraming salamat, John. Of course, in any team, youth can be a double-edged sword. Pwedeng inexperience, madala din sa mga tournaments. Pwede ring hunger. Pero yung inexperience kasi, Coach Ronnie, madaling masolusyonan yan basta compete kayo ng compete.
That's why they're here, to compete against the best in the region, the best in this continent na tinatawag. Southeast Asian teams, East Asian teams, West Asian nations, the Gulf. Nandito po lahat yan. Kaya inabot tayo ng 16 na mga komponan. Pero pagkatapos po kahapon, naghiwalay na po yan. Top 8 Asian teams, West Asian nations, the Gulf. Nandito po lahat yan. Kaya inabot tayo ng 16 na mga komponan. Pero pagkatapos po kahapon, naghiwalay na po yan. Top 8 will progress to the quarterfinals na siya pong paglalaban-labanan bukas. Simula po alas 12, Iraq kontra Kazakhstan, Iran kontra Taipei, Qatar kontra Pilipinas, at China kontra Lebanon. Pero ngayong araw na po ito naman ng linggo, yung natirang mga kupunan na hindi pumasok sa quarterfinals, yung stuck it out for final placings na tinatawag. Kaya nga, classification stage na po ito for those who did not make it to the round of 8.
At nakascore ng ace ang kupunan ng Mongolia to open set number 2.
Steady serve para dito sa Mongolia, courtesy of Naran Bayar.
Kinapos lang yung talon doon ni Trong Lin Nguyen. And again, gifting a point para dito sa... On deck to serve. Si Bayako Naranbaya. Uha Nguyen, too strong on the attack, and that one goes out of bounds.
Uha going cross-court. Uha unmarked. Second set, courtesy of Van Ham.
Yung variation ng kanilang attack, Power Spike brought to you by PLDT Home Fiber, home's most powerful broadband. Mongolia attacking from the back row. Sabi lang, Coach Ronnie, kaya din namin gawin yung ginagawa niya with fake and then the finish.
Kailangan nilang gawin talaga yan. Kahit itong Vietnam, matibay yung floor defense. You want to make sure that you have that advantage over yung kalaban mo na masipag dumipensa talaga. Dui Kwang, defended. Ito, kasamang James, lumalaki ng abante dito ng Mongolia.
At nakakita tayo ng kill block.
Oo, Van Sang ay wala sa tamang lugar. Van Sang, yung libero ng Vietnam. Isa sa pinakamahusay na libero na nakita ko sa kabuuan ng kompetisyon.
Ikaw ba naman yung sumalod sa mga palo ni na Furtado Bruno?
Grabe. Yung last point ka niya, Furtado Bruno, diretso sa mukha niya.
And Mongolia with a 5-2 lead in the second set.
Narinig ko na nga yung buzzer ng Vietnam kanina. Kung hindi sila pumuntos doon kasamang James, time out na sila.
Oo nga. Set up and the finish, finding the Donator.
Cross-court, away from the two blockers. Itong si Bundur ang pupuntos para sa Mongolia.
That Fiber Power Spike brought to you by PLDT Home Fiber, home's most powerful broadband. Muntik pa ma-over-receive. Dalawang magkakape, nagagawin sa bola, and a free ball given up. They set up Doi Kwang sa palpal sa taas, but sails out.
Tugul-tugul and Bayar were present, pero hindi nila napigilan. Ang putos na ito para sa Vietnam. Vietnam, umapak sa silinyador. Gusto kong umabol. They're still behind. 3 serving 6.
Quick combination play, pero Van Sang, good dig. Doi Kwang Nguyen, pinalobo lang yung bola, and he gets the finish.
Offhand. Last touch para dito sa kupunan ng Mongolia. Nautakan sila rito ng Vietnam.
Left in the back row, sinubukan nila palubuhin yung bola. Jaws at the top. Bola nasa panic pa rin ng Vietnam. Doi Kwang gets the check ball. or doesn't get the check ball.
I thought that was handled last by Mongolia.
Oh, really?
Kitang-kita natin, pero syempre, ibang angulo ng ating mga referees. One from Chinese Taipei, the other from the Philippines. Nakita mo, nag-ricochet yung bola, eh, no?
Toy Kwang. Ibabalik mo na ng Vietnam ang bola. Pagkakataon para sa Mongolia. Good combination play is blocked but goes out of bounds.
One-on-one at the net. Locker was there, Tan Lam, but he just could not get that ball safely inside.
8-4 lead sa ating unang technical timeout.
This program is brought to you by Evolution from PLDT Home Fiber, home's most powerful broadband, in partnership with
Mamayang gabi.
So, andito na ako sa Pilipinas for about 5 years now. During those years, of course, you've seen the different videos we've done, selling balot, driving pedicabs, selling taho. I think we're going to be collecting rubbish.
Okay lang!
Previous results sa ating Asian Men's Volleyball Club Championships. Of course, natalo sila sa Power Pinoy sa Team Pilipinas in straight sets. 4 sets naman ang naging victory ng Iraq kontra dito sa Mongolia. Just goes to show na yung una nakakuha sila ng set kontra dito sa Iraq, that Mongolia really has the ability to play.
Totoo yan, pero mabuti na rin na ang draw saw us playing Mongolia on the very first game. On the very first day of the tournament. Dahil mahirap kung nakabuelo na itong mga malalarong ito. Iba na yung tema ng larong pinakita nila kontra sa Iraq kahapon. Even here today, sa ating second set, Mongolia lamang ng 4 versus Vietnam.
Back set for Nguyen. Double block, pinabagal yung bola. They dump it over and they challenge the floor defense of Van San.
Nagulangan sila rito. Inaran Bayar. Van Sang was absent that time. Good jump for Mongolia.
Akala nila jump set siguro eh. Pero again, diskarte para sa mga setter.
Pati yung dump dito, kakaiba eh, no? Iba yung execution nakikita mo. Si Kema, ang pinakamagandang mag-dump eh.
Oo.
Talagang todo yung talo niya, tapos biglang kakawitin niya ng mabilis.
9-5 ang ating score. Papalit ng tao Vietnam. Swan Tao Cao on the floor.
Coming in for Tan Lam.
Cao has been doing well, especially trying to protect the net. Pero kita ng Mongolia, bagong-bago yung player. Malamig pa, agad din ang inatak.
Ulitin ko ito kasamang James. Hindi sa kill blocks nagkakatalong, kundi sa pagandahan ng palo na hindi nga matatangkad ang mga blockers.
That power spike brought to you by PLDT Home Fiber, home's most powerful broadband.
At floor defense, of course. Kung wala kang depensa sa net, at least ang floor defense mo, eh parang pader dapat.
Look at Cao getting the touch ball, announcing his entry to the game. Binawi niya yung pagkakaskuro sa kanya kanina sa net.
One of the tallest. The lineup ng Vietnam. Actually, halos pare-pareho sila ng height level talaga. Eh, no? Walang superior ang taas para dito sa Vietnam.
Uy, misreception. Bola babalik sa Vietnam. They go cross court. Van Han. He gets the finish.
Vietnam looking poised to make their move. Mongolia trying to stay composed. Look at that Tumanduro trying to egg on the rest of Mongolia for this one good reception.
One-on-one sa taas. Hindi nagkaintindihan ng Mongolia, so they give up a free ball. Van Han.
You fail to have a good reception, you cannot attack properly. When you cannot attack properly, you give your opponents multiple chances to hurt you like this.
Ang ating power spike brought to you by PLDT Home Fiber, home's most powerful broadband. 8 serving 10. Quick attack. Over receive. Ball still in play. One-on-one at the net. At pagkakataon para sa Mongolia, off speed. Vietnam naman ang atake. Van Han gets the check ball. Good block coverage. And another free ball. Sunod-sunod na free ball sinusurrender ng Mongolia. And finally, Vietnam puts the punctuation.
Down by 5 earlier, now only behind by 1. At ito namang Mongolia ang mukhang tatawag ng timeout dito kasamang James.
10-9 ang ating score. Mongolia feeling the heat. Vietnam slowly, steadily climbing back into this game. At yun yung makukuha. Again, Coach Ronnie, nababanggit mo sa akin, when you just play good, basic volleyball.
Like what this two team does, really. Basic volleyball lamang. Pero itong Mongolia ngayon, sabi nga ni Judes kanina, inexperienced dahil karamihan sa kanya student athletes ngayon. It's going to be a good challenge. Definitely a welcome test for them to be able to come out together more solid if they can regroup and bounce back after allowing itong Vietnam to stay close. Vietnam now only behind by a solitary point. Chance for Vietnam to tie 9 serving 10.
Paalala po natin, this tournament brought to you by PLDT Home Evolution. Turns your ordinary TV into an internet TV. Back row attack para sa Mongolia. And they get the finish. Testing yung floor defense sa zone 1 ng Vietnam.
Leading scorer para sa Mongolia na si Tuguldun. Rising to the occasion, pushing Mongolia to a more comfortable crucial laban dito sa Vietnam.
And I guess yung ganito pagkakataon, hinintay din ng Mongolia to. Nakaungus na tayo eh. Ibibigay pa ba natin? Trying to bump it over. Good communication para sa Mongolia. Ganda na block sa taas. One goes outside.
Vietnam gave up a free ball because of their faulty service reception. And that allowed Mongolia to launch another point of attack. Mongolia, dalawang sunod na puntos. 12-9 para sa Mongolia.
Bayar Aryon Bayar.
Yan si NP.
NP. Okay. So, dali yan, Coach Ross.
Yes.
Here's backhand. So, palpal sa taas.
Yan ang nakalagay sa jersey niya, NP. Kaya itong mga taga-Vietnam, mamaya tatawagin na natin yung VQ at saka HH. Kasi meron ng pangalan, meron pang mga, yung kung saan mo bibigkasin, di ba? Kung saan ka didiin.
Doon na lang tayo sumusudali.
Oo.
Gulat ng atake na yun ni Van Han Nguyen.
Ayan.
Napakadali.
Vietnam 11, Mongolia 12.
Look at Van Han. Wind that up against the triple block.
Kasi triple block na kasama guys, pero ang liit eh. Diba? So ang bababa ng coverage doon sa ere.
Quick back set. So palpal ulit sa taas. Pero masyado nagigigil yung net coverage ng Vietnam.
Good blockers are able to stay on top, to act like a canopy laban sa mga bumabomba at umaatake. Pero pag maliit ka, nandun, pero magbabounce ng yung bola palayo. Nice quick.
At habang nandyan, sa loob ito si Trong Linh Nguyen, Vietnam will have that option. Van Han on deck to serve. One more time.
Nice
Pero
dig.
good dig. Ramdam na ramdam mo yung paliktad ni Van San. That time, a touch ball scored by Mongolia, and they have discovered their game dito sa ating second set.
Yes, courtesy of Taguldur was, I believe, is the first player to double fingers among these two ball clubs.
Nakita natin si Van San sacrificing his body for that fiber defensive dive brought to you by PLDT Home Fiber, home's most powerful broadband.
Sarap pa ng urin, hindi pumupuntos, pero mabigat ang impact.
Excellent play at the net. Touch ball scored again by Mongolia, looking very confident.
Orgil able to help out his team's cause. Normally content defending the net. Nabigyan ng pagkakataon. Pumatayin ng bola para kay Orgil, nagawa niya ng maayos. Balik sa tatlong abante ng Mongolia.
Pati mga serve ng Mongolia, mas maganda na panoorin.
Yes. Vietnam with that quick. Vietnam once again will try to rebound after dropping 3 points to Mongolia earlier.
Trong Linh on deck to serve para sa Vietnam. This time from the left flank off the blocker gets the score, leading to our second technical timeout. Up by 3 ang kupunan ng Mongolia kontra Vietnam.
This program is brought to you by T-Volution from PLDT Home Fiber, home's most powerful broadband, in partnership with
How do I get a girlfriend?
Well, give her chocolates.
Or you can sing her a song. Diego, you're too young.
Treat her like how you treat your mom. Just treat her with respect.
Thank you. Sing song. And treat her like your mama.
Family sharing. Limitless with a strong, reliable family-sized connection of PLDT Home DSL.
Partners, Magic 89.9, Jam 88.3, Wave 89.1, 99.5 Play FM, and 103.5 K-Light. 16-13 ang ating score, 3-point advantage para sa Mongolia kontra sa Vietnam. And Mongolia, just the confidence that they're displaying here in our second set has enabled them to play very well at nakakuha pa nga ng bentahe kontra sa Vietnam.
This will be only the third game for Mongolia. As they only had 3 teams sa Pool A. Vietnam, on the other hand, puro dikit ang kanilang mga laban sa kanilang 3 matches. Mongolia has only been able to win 1 set in 2 matches, looking to win their second set sa kanilang lahat ng matches dito sa ating Asian Men's Club Volleyball Championship. 5 na ang kanilang abante. After the second technical timeout, 2 points off the serve of Orgil.
Kita mo kung hindi pati serve, mas matapang na. Pero Suat Cao wants to rectify the situation.
Hindi ka kasing high risk, high yield. Pag ikaw ay may hawak na kalamangan, meron kang buffer na tinatawag. Ang Vietnam, tatangka muling bumalik. 14 serving 18.
Tiniming niya yung atake. Off speed. Nasa pa rin ni Van Sant. Combination play. Won't go down. Good effort on the part of Doi Quang. He gets it back. Ganda ng block coverage sana. And a free ball given up. It's Vietnam again. Doi Quang Nguyen off the blocker. Good block coverage. Player number 2 for Mongolia doing a good job protecting the floor. Hu-Ha off speed.
Had to make that adjustment.
Off 2 blockers. Excellent rally we're seeing in the second set. Parehong Kapanan moving their feet, but finally Vietnam with a kill block.
I thought that last sequence was the best rally of this match so far. Vietnam, with about 12 exchanges dun sa huling rally na yon, getting the upper hand, kill block, nagbigay ng puntos para dito sa green shirts ng Vietnam.
With combination play, pinadaan kay Cao, and Mongolia will get the score.
1-on-1 Mongolia, getting their 19th point, inching closer to the 20-point level.
Erganabat with the service. 1-on-1 at the net, and a block and a kill.
Excellent timing coming from Min. Over reception for the green shirts. Almost a free point para sa Mongolia. But look at this perfect timing. It's good defense for Vietnam. Ooh, that's a carry for Bobo.
Kita-kita yan. Small mental lapses para
Ganda ng floater kasi James, talagang bumaon.
Now with the 2 points. Malaga kaya ulit ang Mongolia. And look at that powerful spike mula kay Tuguldur. As they take a 3-point advantage ang ating PLDT Power Spike brought to you by PLDT Home Fiber, home's most powerful broadband.
Si Sakan Batar at si Tuguldur talagang mga kamador today para dito sa Mongolia.
Here's Van Han attacking the floor.
Vietnam has been trying their best to be able to steal the driver's seat away mula dito sa Mongolia. 18 serving 20. Cao serving for Vietnam.
Quick setup job. Nakasalo sa taas ng net coverage. 1-on-1 at the net.
Overreaching.
Violation clear as day para sa Vietnam and Mongolia within 4 set points.
Natakam ang Vietnam.
Tatawag ng timeout ang Vietnam. They are down 18-21, trying to keep it close. But Mongolia just staying very confident, looking to take set number 2. Sa Vietnam again, kung yung Mongolia kanina yung nakasimangot na yung kanilang timeout nung unang set. Ngayon, itong Vietnamese naman looking to be very serious. Minsan mo na sila nailarawan, Coach Ronnie, na very calm, relax lang, hindi masyadong nararako.
Steady lang yan. But they know that they are the more experienced team between these two squads. Kaya ngayon, kailangan nilang diinan yung kanilang mayamang karanasan. Because definitely they have been in this situation before. Mongolia looking to recompose themselves after dropping the first set at 25-20.
Oh, good service reception. Pagkakataon para umatake, but the block can kill.
Cordial making sure that Vietnam's aspirations will be deflated in terms of trying to inch closer. Makakaasa ka, pipilitin ng Vietnam na makadikit, pero itong Mongolia na ibang plano.
Sumbong ihulog yung bola. Back row attack, masyado malakas.
Hira natin nakikita yung attack errors para sa Mongolia. Itong si Sakan Batar committing that attack error from the back. Vietnam getting that break. Vietnam 19, Mongolia 22.
Good dump, nasa low, maganda yung block coverage.
Good tip coming from Huha.
Chance for Vietnam, the back set for Van Han. Trying to go off speed, iniwasan dalawang blocker, kaso out of bounds.
Napakahirap ng cross-court sa ganung klaseng angle because you only work with that short space and he paid nearly. Mongolia 4 points ahead and only 2 points away from tying this match at 1 set apiece.
Naku po. Masasal pa bala. That will not go in. And Mongolia, very aggressive here in the second set. Just within set point. 24-19.
5 set points for the White Shirts. Same predicament. Kung reverse ang roles na nakita natin dun sa nakalipas na first set.
Quick combination play.
Margin for error for Vietnam at this stage of the second set is nil.
3-1 win. Sinusubukan sa pera kayo ng mga coach. Nakuha kaya ng Mongolia. Good attack. And that will do it para dito sa second set. Mongolia taking one. Mula din sa Vietnam, 25-20. This is looking to be a very competitive matchup between two teams who want to finish strong in the classification round. Set number 3 in just a moment.
This program is brought to you by Evolution from PLDT Home Fiber, home's most powerful broadband, in partnership with
Pabalak sa mga nagpabalak mag-swimming.
Joey! Yeah! Yung boy dito! Ginawa ni Ferdinand Herder!
Relax ka na! Humala! Oh, bakit na naman?
Receiver pa bukas!
Umiwas sa mga aali-aligit sa inyo.
Try niyo naman po yung latest shampoo po namin, yung Sunshine. Ayaw matanggal ang bula!
At mag-ingat sa pagpasok sa mga banyo. Dahil ang magkamali, malulunod sa panggugutay ng matindi sa Wow Mali pa rin! Ngayong linggo, 8:15 p.m. sa TV5.
Muli na namang nagbabalik ang Coca-Cola PBA Youngstars. Iikutin namin ang buong kapuluan para hanapin ang mga future PBA stars. Kaya maghanda na ang mga taga Northern Luzon. Sa Southern Luzon, Visayas, mga taga Mindanao, abangan ang aming pagbisita sa mga home courts nyo. Dito lang sa Coca-Cola PBA Youngstars.
Set number 3 mula po sa Mall of Asia Arena. Maraming salamat po for joining us. Tapla ang ating laro. 1 set apiece sa pagitan ng Mongolia at ng Vietnam. As we look at the highlights, Mongolia, if you ask me, Coach Ronnie, sila naman yung nagpakita na mas maraming variation yung center nila. Getting those dumps. And of course, Tuguldur firing away, scoring heavily in that second set. Vietnam tried to make it interesting, but Mongolia just executing very cleanly to get that second set.
Sakan bata rin Tuguldur. Chief weapons on offense para sa kumpanan ng Mongolia. But I thought that they were really the aggressor in the second set. And eventually, I believe that Vietnam played quite tired sa nakalipas sa second set. They were not moving well, emotions were down. And as a result, Mongolia able to extract the second set away from Vietnam. Vietnam even had more points sa kanilang atake. Pero yung service aces ay naging magbigat para sa Mongolia. Ang hindi po nakikita dyan is yung floor defense at yung net defense na talaga namang naging mas matibay yung Mongolia kontra sa mga attackers ng Vietnam.
Let's go to Jot Sulit.
James, kanina nakakwentuhan ko yung team manager ng Mongolia. He was telling me how great it is for them to play and visit the Philippines. Pero inamin niya rin na malaking adjustment daw to for their team. Unang-una raw, yung food is different. At naninibago rin daw sila sa init dito sa atin. Balik sa inyo, guys.
I think that's a huge factor, Coach Ronnie. Kasi ako nung nagpunta ako na Sochi, Russia, lamig, tapos yung pagkain, medyo kakaiba din. Yung cameraman natin si Ronnie Iniguez. After 2 days, nakaka-umay din.
Ano yung Western yung influence?
Medyo Western, pero puro meat. Iba talaga yung pagkain Pinoy, Coach Ronnie. Yun lang sasabihin ko, mas malasa. Ay, nako. Diyos ko.
Apritada. Caldereta.
Yung spaghetti nga doon, medyo hapa pa eh. Pinoy style, sausage. Pero I think for the competitors here, huge adjustment. Lalo na kung wala sila makikita ng pagkain na sanay sila.
Lalo na para sa Vietnam. Alam mo saan pa sila sanay? Sampo. Spring roll.
May ganun dito.
Catfish salad. Ay, sarap yan.
Sana po, nag-enjoy kayo sa inyong mga tahanan. Lunchtime pa naman.
Tempted pancake para kay Bang Sang. Hindi nangyari. Mongolia, iba pinapakitang antas. They're enjoying themselves and they have rebuilt their confidence back. Ito naman kupunan ng Vietnam. They have to play much better. Droop shoulders ang ating nakikita sa kanilang kupunan dito sa ating third set.
Over-received and a dunk.
Yung sinasabi natin, James, ang bibilis kumilos ng Mongolia ngayon.
May spring na to their step.
Yes, okay. Iba sila today.
Cross-court setup. And that goes in.
Sniping his way towards that first point para sa Vietnam. Kung kukumpara natin ang fresh legs factor, sige, go ahead.
And that PLDT Power Strike brought to you by PLDT Home Fiber, home's most powerful broadband.
Ang Vietnam, pang-apat na laro na ito sa kompetisyon. Ang Mongolia naman, naglaro kahapon, pero ito ang kanilang pangatlong laro pa lamang because tatlo lamang ang membro ng Pool A. Vietnam has played more sets definitely kumpara dito sa Mongolia, who has only played a total of 9 sets in the last 2 games. Yung mga kupunan ng Vietnam, mahaba yung kanilang mga matches na nailaban so far. That's clear as day. Uha will have to work doubly hard upang maisalya muli itong kupunan ng Mongolia kontra Vietnam kontra Vietnam.
And he has to do that, lalo na si Tuguldur. Talaga naman kumakamata para sa Mongolia. Look at the adjustment in mid-air. Kaso lumabas na yung bola.
It's an ambitious down the line attack na hinanap ni Sakan Qatar. He was scored almost at will laban sa Vietnam dun sa nakalipas na second set.
Back row attack for Tuguldur.
Deep going straight to the digger. Digger not up to the task. Mongolia 2 points ahead of Vietnam.
Ganda, pakinggan mo yung bench sa Mongolia, Coach Ronnie. Ay, hindi nag-cheer niya. Yun, nag-cheer niya. They cheer every time someone serves. But look at Vietnam wanting to silence Vietnam.
They needed that. Puha. Sumusubok pero kailangan dalawa o tatlo. Ang ko-connector rito, probably two outside hitters and then a middle hitter to be able to put pressure on the defense of Mongolia.
Adjustment. And that goes down the line.
Tugul was able to execute that difficult cross-court set for Sakan Batar. Sakan Batar once again dominating the net defenders ng Vietnam. Mongolia in the driver's seat. Up by 2, 6-4.
Suren Tuguntur. The service. Backhand. Reception. Set up. Doi Tuan did not score. Punta sila ulit sa back row. And that has been really effective para sa Mongolia.
Sakan Batar's delivery time and again. Tuguldur, ang isa pang piyesa para sa Mongolia, will be on deck to serve.
Si Bayarko malupit mula dun sa back row.
Yes.
Si Tuguldur naman, pwede lang punta malapit sa net. Kaso service error na-commit dito ng Mongolia.
Depende rin kasi sa anong klaseng lipad meron ka. Meron kasi iba malihis or rather nakalin pag sumibat patalon. Yung iba naman dito sa harap katulad niyan. Smoke Bayar earlier.
Oh, there's a back row violation kaya puntos mapupunta sa Vietnam. At yung mga little mistakes ito Mongolia, allowing Vietnam to stay close, 6 serving 7.
Kasama sa learning curve yan. Ang kapunan ng Mongolia.
Just went outside. Papunta sa ating unang technical timeout. In set number 3, Mongolia is up 8-6.
This program is brought to you by Evolution from PLDT Home Fiber, home's most powerful broadband, in partnership with.
How do I get a girlfriend?
Well, give her chocolates.
Or you can sing her a song.
Diego, you're too young.
Treat her like how you treat your mom. Just treat her with respect.
Thank you. Sing song and treat her like your mama.
Family sharing, limitless with a strong, reliable family-sized connection of PLDT Home DSL.
Usually when you talk about volleyball, you want to see a lot of offensive variation. Pero itong Mongolia, nakakita sila ng weapon na kanilang pinupuntahan, the back row attack. As we remind everyone, our tournament is presented to you by PLDT Home Evolution. Use your ordinary TV and turn internet TV. But unfortunately, an error.
Yung mga errors na yan sa service line, talagang deflates the momentum that you were hoping to generate and regenerate. 2-point advantage earlier, nahiwa sa isa.
Miscommunication at the net. Puntos mapupunta ulit sa Mongolia.
Puha was not at the right place. That will allow Mongolia to redeem themselves after giving up that service error earlier.
Saan napunta Coach Ronnie yung scrambling for defense?
Parang pagod sila eh.
Kaya tinahanap ko eh.
Binanggit ko, Jace, makita mo eh, sa mga mukha, sa pagkilos, laglag balikat, and sometimes they tend to be very impatient sa kanilang mga paghabol sa bola na hindi gumagalaw eh.
Dahil yung second set na yun, yung best rally na ating napanood, kitang-kita mo kung gaano kabilis yung paa nitong Vietnamese when they're trying to react. Just like that.
Hindi mo alam kung naiinis sila sa sarili nila o talagang pagod at mabibigat ang kanilang mga paa. But you have to give it to Mongolia who has come out with a lot of energy even after dropping the first set. Titignan mo talaga yung sukatan base sa mga laban na nasaksiyan natin for these two squads. Favored ang Vietnam kontra sa Mongolia, hands down. But itong Mongolia once again able to build a 3-point advantage laban dito sa Vietnam.
Looking at the Mongolians, they're very loose. They're all enjoying kahit yung bench nila, very engaged. Kaso yun lang, yung mga pagkakamali sa service line ang pumapatay sa Mongolia in set number 3.
At least 2 service errors in the third set for Mongolia.
Ranhan, good reception. Quick set. Tuguldur punch it down.
Tough to defend. Tuguldur has an extra 2 or 3 inches today kasamang James sa kanyang verticals.
And high vertical ang ating power spike brought to you by PLDT Home Fiber, home's most powerful broadband. Huha! Magkitin mo lang yung pangalan niya, magandang punctuation sa puntos niya eh.
Huha!
Huha! Huha ko yan. Nabanggit na rin ng mga courtside reporters natin to one of the best local players among all the teams playing dito sa ating tournament. Unfortunately, Vietnam will not make the quarterfinals. And just look at Mongolia attacking with a lot of power and celebrating every point.
Mongolia able to convert from defense to offense. And even on the flip side, Vietnam naman ang bagal ng transition nila. But they're only behind by 3, 13 serving 10. Sakan Batar on deck.
Nice combination play goes in. Swan Tao Kao. Power spike brought to you by PLDT Home Fiber, home's most powerful broadband. Hang Nguyen with the service. Ganda reception para sa Mongolia, leading to this attack. But that one sails out of bounds.
He tried it earlier, did not connect. He tried the second time, and Sakan Batar once again fails to get that ball in. Vietnam threatening at 12 serving 13.
Kita natin yung attack disparity on the part of Mongolia.
Ganda lang rin ito Guldur doon. Alam niya may single blocker pero walang suporta doon sa likod.
May chinachant yung bench ng Mongolia eh. Parang nickname siguro nito si Tuguldur eh. Pag nakakascore siya eh. Parang kung ikaw nakascore ka ako, sorry, Ronnie. Okay. May chinachant na ganun itong Mongolia eh. Pero may naman si Swan Tao Kao, mukhang nabuhay ang laro. He does not want this team to fall behind. Down by just 1, 13-14. Kwang Nguyen with the service. Mongolia has been receiving very well, leading to this back row attack. Kaso ball not over.
Chance na nito para sa Vietnam na maniobrahin ang laban. They won the first set 25-20, lost the second set 25-20. Near the third, they tried to play catch-up earlier. Ngayon, nakataplan na sila at 14 all.
Another good reception para sa Mongolia. Free ball given up. Pagkakataon para sa Vietnam. Dien Men jump set, the block and the kill. At mag-uusap yung ating dalawang officials. Yung rule ng isang referee was that it was a block and a kill. Pero mukhang may nakita yung isang official natin. And that call will stay. At not over yung spike. Okay.
Tingnan natin.
It looks like it was blocked. Tumama lang ulit doon sa net.
Correct. Pero puntos pa rin talaga ng Mongolia.
Yes. Sinubukang patayin ni Huang Nguyen yung bola. Ito, off speed lang nila. Basta patay ang bola, Coach Ronnie. Doesn't matter how you finish as long as you get the ball through.
Power versus finesse, no problem for Mongolia. Finesse prevailing over power. Mongolia on top by 216-14.
This program is brought to you by Evolution from PLDT Home Fiber, home's most powerful broadband, in partnership with...
Parang kailangan ko yatang i-delay muna yung dream ko na maging performer.
Sa pagsabak ni Rocky sa amateur boxing,
hindi ang kaaway ng pinakamatinding kalaban, kundi ang sarili mo.
Mas titindi ang pagtatalo sa kanyang kalooban.
Mas gusto ko munang unahing matupad yung pagiging boksingero ko.
Ano ka, baklang Amazonas?
At may magbabalik mula sa nakaraan.
Ito pa si Rocky. Kung may bubuga, matatandaan mo ba ako?
Becky Boxer, ang lihim ng nakaraan. Mamaya, 9:45 p.m. sa TV5.
16-14 ang ating score. 2-point advantage para dito sa Mongolia. Look at the aggressive attacking of Tuguldur. Kitang-kita natin, hindi naman dapat power spike lagi ang iyong binabato. You can just finesse it, float it over, and get it through.
Whatever works. And it has worked 2 in a row for Mongolia after Vietnam tied this match in the third set at 14-all.
From the back row, attack not over.
Yan ang bread and butter move nitong si Sakan Batar. Hindi na siya magkamali sa ganung klaseng lipad. Vietnam getting that break as Chow is now on deck to serve for green shirts of Vietnam.
Attack disparity. Mongolia just attacking more. 14-6. Tianmen, quick setup job. And that attack just not over. Now Mongolia with a 17-15 lead.
Narinig ko na yung sinasabi mo.
Mas engaged sila eh.
Iba ang hiyaw doon. Tama, tama. Kumpara dito sa Vietnam na tahimik lahat.
And that one goes in para sa Vietnam. This time, itong Vietnam naman, pinapalo na talaga na maigi yung bola.
Iba na. Iba na ang lutong ng kanilang mga palo. Looking to build more thrust sa kanilang mga pamatay.
Good reception again by Mongolia. Leading up to this attack. At yung sinasabi ko, Coach Ronnie, basta maganda yung reception, it will fall. Everything else will follow.
Mongolia disallowing Vietnam from getting the driver's seat away from them. In the last 6 rallies, Mongolia nakuha yung 4 na palitan. Vietnam tanging 2.
Back set to this attack. But ambitious down the line attempt does not sail in.
1 of 2 is not bad in the last 2 sequences para sa Mongolia. Sakan Batar connecting earlier, now missing. 17 serving 18. Vietnam trying to dig for another chance to tie this match in the third set.
Nguyen tried to float it over. He gets the finish.
Huha found the gap. Dockers were too far away from the net. Huha, nahulugan sila. Huha and Vietnam, 18. Mongolia and NB also with 18 points.
At yung Vietnam, unti-unti nahahanap na rin yung kanilang laro. Kung mas maganda yung body language ng Mongolia, tulad pinag-uusapan natin kanina, Coach Ronnie, it's up to the other Vietnamese players to step it up. Hindi pwede si Huha Nguyen lang iaasahan nila para pumutos para sa kanila. They have to do the other things in order for them to take the lead.
I feel that they have that belief that they still can overcome itong koponan ng Mongolia in spite of this huge confidence na pinapakita ng Mongolia kontra sa Vietnam.
Makikita natin yung mga lalaroin for the quarterfinals. Iraq kontra Kazakhstan, Iran kontra Chinese Taipei, Qatar against the Philippines, and China going up against Lebanon.
Ayan yung mga placings at grupo na kanilang kinabilangan. Ganon din sa kanilang makakaharap. 1A, meaning yung number 1 sa Group A. Haharap dun sa Pool B or Pool C, meaning the number 2 sa Pool C or Pool B. Tomorrow, it will be a series of knockout matches to determine those who will make it to the Final Four, which will be played also at the Moa Arena on Tuesday.
Vietnam finally on top, 19-18. Ganda na save doon ng Mongolia. Double block by Vietnam. 1-on-1 at the top. Buhay pa bola. Back set for Tuguldur. Trying to find the donut hole. Buhay na ulit yung floor defense of Vietnam. And Nguyen puts it down.
Alam mo, kasamang James, tamang Vietnam eh. Nahawakan kanina ng Mongolia. Ayan, tinuturo ni Huha. Subalit hindi nakita ng ating first referee na nag-a-apologize dito kay Huha. But I thought that Huha's confidence was all over that last point for Vietnam. It has really been the inspirational leader for the green shirts, especially here in the third set.
Tuguldur off 2 blockers.
Umama kasi sa net, kaya't gumulong ng palabas. At maski kanina, bibong-bibong Mongolia, Vietnam, showing the experience that they need to be able to build a 3-point advantage dito sa ating third set.
And not surprisingly, Coach Ronnie, nakuha nila yung advantage nung biglang bumilis ulit yung kanilang kilos, maganda yung block coverage. hinahabol na yung bola pag sinusubukang ihulog doon sa donut hole. And that's why Vietnam has been able to go on the offensive because their defense has been able to hold.
For some teams, if they sense danger, most of the time, they tend to play better. And I think this is what Vietnam felt. If they surrendered another set dito sa koponan ng Mongolia, then sila ang mamumuro na masibak ng gusto by the white shirts. Pero itong Vietnam, able to regroup. Uha continues to be not only the skipper para sa Vietnam, pero siyang fulcrum na tinatawag. Provides the balance, provides the toughness para dito sa green shirts ng Vietnam.
21 serving 18. Quick back set. Powerful attack. That cross ball goes in. Para di sa Mongolia. Let's look at this PLDT power spike. Brought to you by PLDT Home Fiber, home's most powerful broadband.
Vietnam going small. Probably looking for a good service reception to be able to launch a counter-attack.
Muntik pa ma-oversee this service.
Nagawa lang ng paraan. Nice
block.
block.
Double block mula kay Tan Lao and Buha.
That was critical as Vietnam was attempting to diminish that advantage by Vietnam earlier. Mongolia sumubok. Mongolia hindi na ipasok. Vietnam 22, Mongolia 19.
Trying to go cross ball. Maganda yung block coverage of Vietnam. But they give up the free ball. Off the blocker.
Nice.
Ball still in play. Good rally. One more free ball. Sinubukang ihulog. Buhay pa rin. Block coverage. Excellent for Vietnam. Nguyen. Ganda naman ang net coverage ng Mongolia. Again, the block coverage. Finally, defense is alive. And Nguyen puts it away.
I thought that move to put in player number 16 para sa Vietnam was critical dun sa huling puntos para sa green shirts. Pero parang acting as the libero. So naging dalawang libero sila ron sa loob. Good floor defense, 4-point advantage for Vietnam here in the third.
Ito may excellent reception for both squads. Vietnam coming alive, leading 9-5. Nguyen tried to push it over, but I think crossed. Net contact violation on the part of Mongolia.
Forced error here for Mongolia. Pareho na naman tayo ng tema kasamang James. 5 set points ang hawak. Unang set, 5 set points para sa Vietnam. Na-convert nila, nanalo sila 25-20. Or rather, hindi nila na-convert. Na-convert nila on the next set point na hawak nila. Pero tignan natin kung may iba ang tema dito sa third set.
Blocked up top. But the referees ruled it outside.
Let's see if the third set will also end up in the same score that we had in the first two sets.
Crucial service para sa Mongolia. Cross-court setup. They try to go for the cross ball, pero buhay pa rin. Back row attack, and that one sails out. What do you know, Coach Ronnie? 25-20.
Again.
Sa ating set number 3, mapupunta para sa Vietnam. Now up 2 sets to 1. Sa ating laro. Magpapatuloy po kami. More volleyball in just a moment.
This program is brought to you by Evolution from PLDT Home Fiber, home's most powerful broadband, in partnership with
Abangan ang bagong trip ng One Direction.
Kapag ako ang umibig, lalaluyin ko kat ang mama. Action. Puro ko yun. Aakyating. Aakyating at pinagmagtinda. So hard, bro. So hard. Action. Ano?
Be the first to watch the commercial for their new show tomorrow, only on TV5.
Cut. Perfect.
Bukas.
Dadalhin namin kayo sa isang joyride ngayong Lunes, alas 10 ng gabi.
Alam mo, bakit kailangan? Teka lang! Wait lang!
Bawal ang mahilo.
Ayoko na! Teka lang, nagusto ka!
Bawal ang pumarap.
Ayoko na! Nahiya ka lang mo!
mensahe ito. Sagot namin ang kontra-biyahilo.
Kaya mong galaw-galawin yung ulo.
Sama na sa isang nakakahilong eksperimento ng Demolition Job dito sa TV5.
Ano nangyayari?
Action News Alert!
Magandang hapon, ako si Fritzy Cabial sa Action News Alert. Tagumpay na nabawi ni Manny Pacquiao ang kanyang WBO welterweight title matapos talunin si Timothy Bradley. Panalo si Pacquiao kay Bradley via unanimous decision. Dalawang judges ang nagbigay kay Pacquiao ng score na 116-112. Habang 118-110 naman ang ibinigay ng isa pang judge. Lahat pabor para kay Pacquiao. Ito na ang ika-56 na panalo ni Pacquiao sa kanyang career. Pumunta lang sa news5.com.ph at paki-social TV sa News5 everywhere. Ako po si Fritzy Cabial. Magandang hapon.
Action News Alert!
Channel 34. 2-1 ang atang Vietnam kontra dito sa koponan ng Mongolia mula po sa PLDT Home Fiber Asian Men's Club Volleyball Championship on TV5 as we look at the highlights of that third set. Maganda actually simula na ipinakita dito ng Mongolia. Power attacks mula kay Tuguldur, going cross ball, going down the line. Pero naging ambitious yung mga huling attempts nila. While Vietnam, nagising yung floor defense, yung block coverage, starting with defense, turning it into offense.
At naniniwala ako, James, na yung service errors ng Mongolia naging pasakit sa kanilang tangka to build a better lead laban sa Vietnam. And eventually, because of those errors, it allowed Vietnam to regroup. As a result, Vietnam, or rather, yes, Vietnam, naagaw pa yung nakalipas na set. Eh, no, lamang pa ang Mongolia sa atake. Patukadaan force errors. That's way too much. Marami dyan galing sa service line para dito sa koponan ng Mongolia.
Punta muna tayo kay Justin Sulit.
James, just like their opponents, first time din itong Vietnamese club to compete in an international competition. Pero as individuals, exposed na sila sa mga foreign tournaments. In fact, ang kanilang coach na si Bui Quang Ngoc was the former national team head coach. At meron din sila mga national team players in this club, just like team captain Hu Han Nguyen, who came alive in that third set. Perhaps an advantage, a major advantage that is, over a young Mongolian team. Balik sa inyo.
Maraming salamat, Jat. And before anything else, Coach Ronnie, congratulations, Manny Pacman Pacquiao.
Isa lang sabihin ko dyan, James.
Puso! Finally. Of course, congratulations sa ating pambansa kamao. Unanimous decision victory against Timothy Bradley. Just showing the Desert Storm na wala siyang sinabi pag yung pambansa kamao buong puwersa na susubok sa'yo. New WBO welterweight champion of the world, Manny Pacman Pacquiao.
Baka may rubber match yan, ha?
Naku, maganda yun.
Mamaya, papanoorin natin yan.
Ayan, papanoorin kayo mamaya.
Kasi mas i-replay mo yan ng ilang beses, masarap
Okay lang?
panoorin mo. Diba? Yung ulit-ulit ko yan, eh. At ito rin naman ang tangka ng Mongolia. Ulitin ang kanilang second set success. Nandito na po tayo sa ating fourth set. Every set has ended with the same score, 25-20 first set in favor of Vietnam. Second set, Mongolia, kinuha. Third set, kinuha muli ng Vietnam.
Kita mo naman yung Vietnam ngayon, Coach Ronnie, dito sa ating set number 4.
May pitik na.
Meron na rin spring in their step.
Yes. Kanina, dahan-dahan eh, no? Hindi lang slow-mo, naging super slow-mo, pero dahil nga sa advantage din talaga nila. We talk about depth and roster power, eh. Konting maniobra, naiangat agad nila at nakuha nila yung third set. Ayaw na nilang manumbalik yung kanilang pagiging lethargic doon sa second set. Mansalugan, Mongolia, parang kulit-bulilit kasamang James. Hindi nangangayaw, hindi tumitigil. Makulit pero masipag, kaya mahirap sila kalaban.
They're all tied up, 3-all dito sa ating set number 4. Bui Quang, blocked on top, and a kill.
Energy level has stayed the same for Mongolia even after they dropped the third set. Si Can Batar playing tough defense at the net sa Can Batar. Prevailing, scoring off the kill block.
Van San working double time para protektahan yung mga atake ng Mongolia.
Mababa yung bola. The back set was a little too low for Hu-Ha. Hu-Ha napapamewang, bakit nga ba hindi? Hirap tapusin ng lifeline ng Mongolia.
Look at the service reception ito si Van San. And leading to that attack from defense to offense.
Si Van Sang talagang workhorse para dito sa koponan ng Vietnam. And that's the reason why Hua is able to put in those nice-looking attack points. Pero si Van Sang ang sikreto ng floor defense ng Vietnam.
Well, look at Mongolia staying aggressive dito sa ating set number 4. Na-scout din nila yung Vietnam that despite they're fundamentally sound floor defense, may mga power shots talaga na makakalusot. Yung Mongolia, gigil na gigil sa kanilang offensive.
Kung meron ako nakikita sa Mongolia, mas marami silang players na ginagamit kasamang James. Mas deeper ang rotation nila kumpara dito sa Vietnam. Talagang halos nakadiin eh. Pero yung player kanina, number 16 para sa Vietnam, na si Hong Ton, nakatulong ng gusto, lalong-lalo na sa depensa. Very deep in the third set. He was able to help out the floor defense of Vietnam. At tingnan natin kung mamaya ibabalik siya. But right now, Vietnam playing with better groove, in rhythm, so to speak, itong koponan ng Vietnam.
Iba na rin yung may fresh legs na may mga kapalit, si Natuguldur. But of course, with the veterans protecting the fort para sa Vietnam, nabagit mo, they are playing with better rhythm as Van Han soars high for the finish.
Ano yung selfie rito ng moment kasama James? Pero pagkwentuhan muna natin itong power spike ng PLDT.
Ito si Van Han, nahanap yung butas sa loob. Brought to you by PLDT Home Fiber, home's most powerful broadband.
This type of a competition for the Asian Men's Club Volleyball Championships, hindi lamang yung skill level, hindi lamang yung cohesion ang hinahanap. Hinahanap ko yung conditioning kasama James. Mamaya pag-usapan natin. At siyam na araw ito. For those who take it all the way, lamang tayo ng Vietnam 8-6 kontra sa Mongolia.
This program is brought to you by Evolution from PLDT Home Fiber, home's most powerful broadband, in partnership with
Mamayang gabi.
So, andito na ako sa Pilipinas for about 5 years now. During those years, of course, you've seen the different videos we've done, selling balot, driving pedicabs, selling taho. I think we're going to be collecting rubbish.
Okay lang.
8-6 ang ating score, 2-point advantage para sa Vietnam kontra dito sa Mongolia. Kita mo naman all the fans enjoying the action here. International fans making sure that they catch every bit of volleyball action mula sa Mall of Asia Arena. Maraming salamat po for joining us. James Velasquez calling the action with the point laureate, Coach Ronnie Magsano, Chat Sulit. At courtside, that attack from Tuguldur not over. Puntos mapupunta ulit sa Vietnam. Now with a 3-point advantage. At etong Vietnam playing with a little zest in their step. Capitalizing also sa mga errors sa kinakomita Mongolia. Here's a back set. Tuguldur once again, this time making sure. I'm trying to find out kung yung sinisigaw itong Mongolian bench team nakakascore o nang isa-serve. Ito si Tuguldur. Uy, muntikan po pumasok. Setting up the back row attack for Hua Nguyen. As we look at this power spike brought to you by Hua Nguyen and PLDT Home Fiber, home's most powerful broadband. Quick setup job, combination play off the blocker. And Mongolia, nagpapakita ngayon ng power game dito sa ating set number 4. Should they get to set number 4, we will head into a 5th and deciding set. Aryan Bayar with the service. Running attack, first one of the match, and that one goes in para kay Tan Lam Nguyen. Kanina, puro fake in a finish. Ngayon naman, quick setup, running attack behind the center. And they put it down. 11 serving 8. Back row attack. And that has been there all day para dito sa Mongolia. It has been Tuguldur and Erdeneba na talaga naman kumakamada para dito sa Mongolia. Power Spike brought to you by PLDT Home Fiber, home's most powerful broadband. Misreception. And a free ball given up. Magkakataon ulit para sa Mongolia. Good combination play. Not over. Block up top by Tanlang, but sails out of bounds. Puntos mapupunta sa Mongolia. And Mongolia down by just one.
Perfect chance for the white shirts to tie this match here in the fourth set. Lamang ng isang set itong Vietnam kontra sa Mongolia.
Vietnam trying to power it down, but no go. Again, Erdeneba. Pero maganda yung pagdig ng Vietnam, leading to that score.
Once again, Van Sang having a hand in that last defensive stop, leading to an attack point para dito sa punan ng Vietnam.
Again, that power spike brought to you by PLDT Home Fiber, home's most powerful broadband. Erdeneba, sa palpal sa taas, double block. Van Sang keeps it alive. Tutulak pabalik ng Vietnam. Pagkakataon para sa Mongolia. And ball almost staying in play, but not quite.
Bilis kumilos ni Van Sang talaga. He thought that he already saved the play for Vietnam. But Van Hang was simply too slow. Tangkad kasi nitong si Van Hang.
Look at Vietnam power it down. Hu Ha Nguyen with a cross ball finish.
Batting point courtesy of Hu Ha. Understanding that itong Mongolia delikado pag nakatabla. At pag naagaw pa yung kalamangan, Vietnam looking to close out this match here in the fourth set. Mongolia looking to push this battle into a fifth and final set.
Poor reception leading to the free ball. To this Hu Ha Nguyen attack. The national team player.
Time and again, 10-10, going to Hu Ha. Hu Ha delivering once again important points for the Green Shirts.
Fiber Power Spike brought to you by PLDT Home Fiber, home's most powerful broadband. Good reception this time para sa Mongolia. Down the line, finish. Attacking zone 1.
Hirap yung muko talaga yung mas matatangkad ng mga malalaro, James. Logic dictates that syempre, mas mahirap bumali ng tuhod, mas matagal mag-stay low na tinatawag.
So pag nag-volleyball ako, Coach, libero ako. Pwede, no?
Kayong dalawa ni Coach Ryan balitan. Pero si Khalifa ng woman, matangkad, ah.
Talaga?
Salubong ko siya kanina, eh. Tangkad.
Pero kung nakita mo na maglaro ng basketball yung John Sulit, Coach Ronnie,
galing.
may vertical yan. Pwedeng open spiker yan sa volleyball.
Ano yung mga basketball goals sa likod? Pwede tayo magpainit dyan.
Pero walang galingan, Coach, pag ikaw yung kalaro namin.
Importante pawisan.
Sa pag ikaw yung kalaban, walang galingan.
Napasigaw na naman.
Sabi niya, hindi pwedeng walang galingan dito. Vietnam is up 16-12.
This program is brought to you by Evolution from PLDT Home Fiber, home's most powerful broadband, in partnership with ngayong PBA Super Bowl Sunday sa first game, Barako Full Energy versus Global Port, Batang Pier, 3 p.m. Live at sa second game, Alaska Aces versus Barangay Ginebra San Miguel, 5:15 p.m. Live, the 2014 PLDT Home Evolution PBA Commissioners Cup, live on TV5. San ka? Kampihan na! PBA Commissioners Cup is brought to you by PLDT Home Evolution. Turns your ordinary TV into an internet TV. Call 171 or visit pldthome.com.
16-12, abante ang Vietnam kontra sa Mongolia. Vietnam looking to close things out. As we look at this PLDT Home Evolution block of the match brought to you by PLDT Home Evolution, turns your ordinary TV into an internet TV. At may violation na naman dito yung Mongolia. Those are haunting them, Coach Ron.
Talked about the 13 unforced errors for Mongolia. Kung sa nakalipas na third set. Diktado pa nga nila yun, eh. Problemado na yung Vietnam. Even after the second technical timeout. But eventually, they shot themselves in the foot by having too many unforced errors. Katulad yung nakalipas na puntos na binawi naman ni Sakan Batar. 12 for Mongolia, 17 for Vietnam. Fourth set na po tayo dito sa classification stage na labanan.
13 serving 17. And Benabat with the service. Van Sang again with the excellent reception, leading to this Do Kwang attack. Tuguldur floats it over. Nasalo sa taas. Look at the hang time.
Well, kanina pa binibitinan at hinuhulugan ni Tuguldur ang net defenders para dito sa Vietnam. Pero mas matagal yung bitin dito ng Vietnam.
Excellent reception for Bio. Powerful attack, catching the defense, snapping. Talagang yung Vietnam, merong ilang power shots talaga na they are unable to handle.
Could have closed out that point itong si Tennet, pero yung dump niya may na-anticipate ng digger ng Mongolia. Mongolia still behind by 4. They have to bridge the gap better. 14 serving 18. Ito yung huling puntos para sa Mongolia.
An hour offensive block of the match brought to you by PLDT Home Evolution turns your ordinary TV into an internet TV. Ganda na naman ang reception. Back row attack for Nguyen. Over-receive. Kaso hindi nagkaintindihan doon yung Vietnam.
Pero tignan mo itong former national coach at present head coach ngayon ng koponan ng Vietnam, Quang Ngoc, not reacting, stoic dun sa kanyang kinakaupuan. Oh, not over. Para kay Huha.
Everything was there. Yung reception, yung setup.
Medyo mababa kasamang James.
Mababa yung setup.
Mababa from 18-13, slice to 18-16. Tawag muna ng timeout si Quang Ngoc ng Vietnam.
Both teams nagkakaroon ng palitan ng errors as we head into the dying moments ito set number 4. But Vietnam still with an 18-16 edge.
Very critical part of the fourth set. Could be the make or break situation right now para sa Vietnam. Mongolia fighting hard. Mongolia fighting back. It's imperative para dito sa kupunan ng Vietnam na di lamang mas maging maayos sa kanilang service reception sa parating na bola. Kung hindi, babalasa ba sila? Huha has been defended well. Huha has not scored in the last 3 rallies. Tingnan natin kung bibigay itong si Chen Men sa ibang mga kasama niya. Ito na yung player number 16 kasamang James. Bumalik na muli. Siyang game changer dun sa kalipas sa third set para sa Vietnam.
As the game goes longer, as you look at the excellent setting advantage nitong Vietnam, kanino kaya mas may bentahan?
Oh!
Yeah, miscommunication
yes.
There. Dalawang players.
Unforced error na naman para sa Mongolia. Could be huge.
Actually, 3 players hindi nagkaintindihan kung sino dapat kukuha ng bola na yon.
Pag gano'n na nangyari, tolas ka na agad eh. Dahil sa floor coverage nyo, talaga mo problema na.
Good reception to this attack, but goes out of bounds.
From 18-16 to a couple of points for Vietnam after the timeout was scored by the Green Shirts to build a 20-16 advantage. Better breathing room para dito sa Vietnam.
And Vietnam looking to be the more experienced squad trying to come out on top. Nabanggit nga ni Jot, may mga national team players scattered dito sa Vietnamese lineup. Huha Nguyen has made a good account of himself dito sa tournament. And again, itong Mongolia, lagi natatalo in 3 or 4 sets, getting 1 set away from Iraq. Ito namang Vietnam, they get to stretch their games into the 5th set, 4th set.
Mas sanay ang Vietnam sa mas mahabang laban.
So kung yung mga ganito sitwasyon, possibly may advantage itong Vietnam.
And that is what they're using. Mayamang karanasan sa mas mahabang mga laro. Meron silang second wind na tinatawag.
Pero di naman yung atake ng Mongolia going with a powerful attack.
Going down the middle, going for that quick. Parang feeling nila yung sa back row, nadidepensahan nila. Yung outside hitters nila, namamarkahan nila. Ngayon sa gitna na sila, bumubomba.
At nabanggit mo rin, Coach Ronnie, na fresh legs itong koponan ng Mongolia dahil sa pagbabalasa ng tao. So that could be a factor as well. Look at Van Han.
They needed that. Ito yung sinasabi natin, babalasa ba si Chen Men? O bibigay pa rin niya kay Huha exclusively almost lahat ng bola.
Oh, look at that attack, attacking zone 5.
Hirap bantayan talaga ng lefties, ano? Unorthodox at nasa offhand agad ng depensa.
Nguyen!
Bakit yan? Right-handed. Ang hirap bantayan. He has that different elevation combined with his absolute power to generate that much thrust sa kanyang atake. Look at this. Picture perfect point para dito kay Huha.
Tamang elevation for the devastation at zone number 5. Power Spike brought to you by PLDT Home Fiber, home's most powerful broadband. Again they go down the middle.
Last ditch move here for Mongolia. 3 points away are the white shirts of Mongolia from Vietnam, but Vietnam is also 3 points away from closing out this match.
Pumupunta na sila kung sure sa big gun sila.
Erdinabat,
Tuguldur, and Nguyen.
Dikdikan na. Closers na tinatawag. Oh, nice play. Ganda ng balasan ni Chen Nen. Kanina kay Huha, and then kay Van Hang. At kaya naman, iba na naman ang kanyang binigyan na pumuntos para sa green shirts ng Vietnam.
Chess match dito para doon sa mga setters na pareho pa because you have options that you can go to.
It's about decision making at mabilis na proseso ng pag-iisip kung kanino ka magtitimon.
23-19 ang ating score. Vietnam can close this out with just 2 points. Mongolia can still catch up, take the lead, and maybe force this game into a 5th and deciding set. Both teams pumupunta na sila sa kanilang big guns. For Mongolia, Tuguldur, Erdinabat. Para naman dito sa Vietnam, you have Huha Nguyen, Van Lam Nguyen. Both setters have been working hard. Both liberos have been working hard.
And it is by design that when you get to the critical part of the match, ang mga setters are trained to think and to act. That they will go to their best attackers. Goes without saying that their floor defense also has to be excellent, especially at this instance of the game.
Erdinabat get the check ball.
20 for Mongolia, 23 for Vietnam. One of the best servers for Mongolia on deck to serve, Orjil, with this critical serve para sa Mongolia.
Van San with the reception. Ooh, trying to go cross ball, pero ambitious attempt.
Miss hit yun kasamang James. I thought that he lost the handle completely, holding on to his right shoulder, waving a little bit of that pain off. But Vietnam, bago na ng timeout dito, lamang pa rin sila ng dalawa, 23-21.
Ang tanong dito, kaninong closer ba yung mas malakas, mas matikas? Will it be Huha Nguyen? Will it be Suren Tuguldur? Makikita natin in just a moment.
Meron pang sakan bataryan para sa koponan ng Mongolia.
23-21. Mongolia at the service line.
Wow. Down the line winner for Huha. They have to thank Van Sam once again, who had that excellent service reception. 3 set points equals 3 match points para sa Vietnam kontra sa Mongolia.
Team captain with the service.
He saved one. Courtesy of Sakan Batar. Usay din to, no? Hindi ganyan yung mga unang nilaro nito eh. But yesterday against Iraq, he also played extremely well. Getting the momentum, providing us with the definitely top-notch performance once again for Mongolia.
There go to Nguyen. Off the blocker. Good block coverage para sa Mongolia. They go to this attack, finding the donut hole. Mongolia staying alive.
Saving 2 set points, saving 2 match points to Guldur. Once again, stepping up to the plate. 1 more point for Mongolia, and this becomes an extended set here in the 4th.
The back set for Nguyen, and he puts it down.
Look at reaction of Van Sang, making sure that that reception was excellent. And